Sheriff, you've been hearing those strange noises at night?
Every night this week.
What kind of noises?
Loud, rumbly, mysterious.
Mysterious like ghost mysterious?
Or worse, bedroom mysterious.
Rex, we patrol.
On the ground with the mysterious rumbling?
Higher ground gives better perspective.
I am a brave dinosaur. I am a brave dinosaur.
Noise usually starts around this time.
I think I hear it. That was it.
Over there, by the chair.
Easy now.
It's growling.
Stand down, partner.
That's your monster.
That's Bunny?
Just a heavy sleeper.
So the bedroom isn't haunted.
Only by loud snorers.
Well, Sheriff Patrol handled it.
Another night secured by friends.